So what's up everyone, that's the week for 23rd of June. Let's start on the weekly. We got this, first of all, the inverse fair value gap created here, price tagged into it and formed this order block here, which we may expect getting tapped to it this week, but I don't think so because it will be very bearish move, so we'll be continuing downside. So I just expect this a little move because we took previous weekly low, as we can see here. So the only way to move is higher because the only trend that's going on, it's bullish for now. So we won't be expecting any bearishness until we got proven wrong to move to the downside. So let's get this out of the way. Jump on the daily. On the daily, we can check that opening price is very huge, like it's a very huge gap, new week opening gap, and price took these equal lows, this low as well as this low, and tapped again into that order block, bullish order block. So if today continues to go bullish, I would expect price to reach this high, and even this high here, and the long term would be this all-time high. So jump to 4 hour, see what's happening. Yeah, so we can see that the range, like, let me get this out of the way. Okay, we can see that this whole range that has been forming, it got like taken out by the weekly open. Like the weekly open opened below whole of the range. We can consider this as manipulation to go forward, like to the upside, and which can confirm that this is manipulation at the start of the week, is that we have this, wait, where did this go? We just get it, okay, we have this opening gap from the start of this candle until here, and price like closed above it on the 4 hour, which may be a bullish sign for us. And not only that, we can see that price even formed a bullish fair value gap right here. It's in green. Okay, price formed a bullish fair value gap and is beautifully reacting from it. So the how to say it, we can see that the most nearby target is this high, this extreme, and then the wick. Like, you can consider what happened. Yeah, okay, yeah, understand this. So the wick and this extreme right here. Jump to the 1 hour, let's see what's happening. On the 1 hour also we can see a very bullish like reaction, very bullish structure, where price closed over this bearish order block, which should be holding price if it was bearish, but it got broken through, retested, and then we're going forward. So by now I don't expect any bearish reactions until now, but everything from the market open until this moment, everything is showing bullishness. And we can confirm, like, it's now around about, it's gonna be 9 o'clock in 3 minutes Eastern Standard Time. But if we see the hourly close above this bearish fair value gap here, we can consider this as a bullish sign to go longs. Like, close above here, return back, and then going upside. And just draw this. We can expect what happened. Just expect price to go above, maybe even above this order block, and go retest the fair value gap again and go for the highs. So this would be a perfect situation for us from here. So let's check the 15, what's doing. 15 is, until now, it's not fully confirming that it's bullish, because like, okay, we have the order block right here that can be a bullish one and react. Price can easily go to it and then go upside, but like we need to wait for at least the market open to see what would happen, right? So for now I expect like a little bit of a downside reaction and then move to the upside, and we will manage on the 1 minute the move for the day. So that's basically what am I expecting for the day, because it's all clear, I think so. And there's something missing today, because if we see at the open price of the daily candle, I don't know what happened here. Wait, yeah, if we see the opening price, like the daily open, we can see that there's no manipulation on the daily. Like, the daily candle is a straight up candle. So if 9:30 opens and there is a strong manipulation to go to the upside, like by taking any sort of lows, I don't care if it's 5-minute lows, like, but there need to be a sort of manipulation, I would be very fully in. I would be expecting a very high chance of going longs. So that's it. Thank you for being here. Let's see what happens today.